Hello friends! In this video, I will show you how you can recover back your 10 years old photos and videos from your Google Photo app. If your photos or videos was deleted from your phone, or your phone stolen, or you change your phone to new one, this video is going to help you get back all your photos, including the old photos you took when you started using Android phone, as far as 10 years back. For instance, when you open your photo gallery, not a single photo or video is showing, maybe because you changed your phone. So I will recover all photos and videos to my gallery in this way. Before we go further, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to this channel. Thank you. First thing to do to avoid losing your photos and videos in future. For those that have not yet mistakenly deleted their photos or changed their phone, go to your Play Store and download this app called Google Photos. Open the app, there's some settings you need to turn on. Click on your account. If backup is off, then turn it on. Click Turn on Backup. Go back to your account again. Scroll down to Photos Settings and tap on it. Tap on Backing up to your email provided. Scroll down under Settings. Backup Quality. Leave it to original quality. As you can see what it says here, first 15 GB at no change, photos and videos in full resolution. The second option, Storage Saver, gives you more storage space but reduces quality. Compress your photos and videos. Leave this setting to original quality. Go back, tap on Mobile Data Usage. Swipe right and select Unlimited Data. If unlimited data is not available, then set it to 50 MB. Then go back. Tap on Backup Device folder. Toggle on Automatic Include New Folder. That's all for the setting. Then to recover your 10 years old photos and videos, your deleted photos, open your Gmail app. Tap on your account profile. Tap on Manage your Google account. Make sure you log in with your main email account. Scroll to Data and Privacy. Scroll to Tools. Tap on Manage your content saved from Google service. Then scroll down to your photos. Here I have 500 plus photos. Believe me, there are more than 6,000 photos here. But when I open my phone gallery, there is no photo or video on my gallery. To recover all your photos, tap on Download. At the bottom, tap Next Step. Click on Export Once. Second option says Export every 2 months for 1 year, but select Export Once. File type, leave it on zip file. File size, select the size you want it. We have 2 GB, 4 GB different sizes. Click on Create Export. After that, you will receive an email. Open the email sent to you and tap Yes, it was me, that you recognize the activity. Here it says your files are currently being prepared. This process can take a long time, possibly hours or days to complete. You will receive an email when your export is done. Wait a moment, an email would be sent to you that Google data is ready to download. Just tap on it. Tap on Manage Google Takeout Request. Scroll down a little. Your total request size is 7.84 GB. This request has been divided into 4 files. Here is the 4 files. You may see different option on your phone. You have to download it one after the other. Tap on Download. Enter your email password or use phone fingerprint. Downloading. 2 GB up to 1 hour left. Download is completed. Tap Open. Open with File by Google. Click Extract. And wait a few moments. 1096 files extracted. Click Done, go back and open your phone gallery. All your photos recovering in gallery. You can see the dates, photos from 2023. Photos from 2024. Photos from 2022. And 2026. Come back here and download this remaining ones to recover your photos as far back as when you started using Google Email. If you find this video helpful, don't forget to like, share to your friends and subscribe to this channel. See you guys in my next video. God bless you.